Hi guys, it's Mimi. I'm back for another video of my spring kickoff, and today I have some altered Easter baskets, I guess you could call them, or berry baskets, and I think they came out really cute. I used one of the items I made yesterday in my video, so if you didn't see that, go check it out. But I'm just going to quick share with you what I did because they were really easy to put together, and maybe if you're still thinking of something to give out to your friends, family, kids, whatever, this is something really easy to whip up, and you don't need a lot to do it. So I made all of them pretty much the same. This one's the only one that's different because I didn't have enough of the bunny butts, so I put a little bunny head here and then some twine, which I also didn't. I ran out of ribbon, but I think this one still came out really cute. And so these are just berry boxes I got from Michaels, and then like I said, I put the twine and the bunnies on it. And then I have a Kit Kat, and these are fun because I'm in New York and all of my friends are in New York, so these Kit Kats are from Canada. I don't know if they taste any different. I haven't tried them yet, but they have different packaging than here in the US, so that's why I put them in here. I thought they were cute. And then I have a little Easter egg from the dollar store, and I'll show you what's inside of that. I got these cute little like Easter bunny pom-poms from Dollarama in Canada also. So I wanted to include that in there because I thought it was so cute, and it fits inside this egg really nice. So that's what's inside these little eggs. And then I have some mini M&Ms here, and then in the back I have this little shaker tag thing I made. So in it I have those little bunnies I made again, and then I have sprinkles, which I actually got from my friend Creating for Fun. She used sprinkles in one of her shakers, so I went out and got some. They're just from Walmart in the Easter section. You can find them anywhere in the baking aisle also. And then I have these like flower sequins in there that I got from Dollarama while I was in Canada. And then on the back I just put, this one's from my Aunt Nancy, so I just put Happy Easter and then their name, and then enjoy these sweet treats. And really simple. I don't like the back as much as I like the front, obviously, but I didn't really know what to put in the back, so that's what I did. And to make these little things, I used these Project Life, what do they call these? Like just 3x4 pockets they are, and I got these at Michael's on clearance, and they're actually really nice. They have a like lip at the bottom. I'll show you. They have this little lip, so you can actually like tape them or whatever, glue them into your Project Life albums. Hopefully you guys can see here. You guys can't see that, can you? Give me 1 second. Okay, sorry about that, but these have that little lip there of just extra plastic, so you can add them into your Project Life albums. But what I did was I just folded it over and added a piece of tape on there, so I didn't have to use my fuse tool because I'm not very good at it, and I wanted them to be flush anyway, so instead of wasting that plastic and making more work for myself, I just folded it over and added tape. So that's a really easy way to make these little shaker tags, and if you don't have them, you could always use pocket letter pages and just cut them, and not in half, but like cut them down, or you could use scrapbook pages, just anything clear plastic. I also have treat bags I got from the dollar store that I've used to more like package I use those for, but you could also use them to make shaker things. So that's what that is. And then I also included this little bunny in there. I have chocolate, white chocolate, and then one cookies and cream. There was two. Oh, and then I also made a blue one for my dad because I wanted to, and I gave him the cookies and cream one. That's why there's only one of those. But so that's that one, and I just want to show you really quick what the bunny butts look like. I think that is so funny, and I think they're really cute, and I put them on the front with some ribbon behind it, and then again the egg. Sorry, something fell. Again, the egg, the Kit Kat, the M&Ms, little shaker, and then here's the chocolate bunny. And then the cookies and cream bunny looks like this. So I hope you guys enjoy this little idea, and if you need something to make up for your friends and family, this is really quick and easy, and it doesn't cost a lot of money either. I got a big bag of M&Ms for like $2. These little bunnies were 50 cents. I got 8 eggs for $1, and then these little bunnies came on this card like this. I obviously took some off, but they came on this card. I think it was like $2.50 for the whole thing, and then the Kit Kats were I think $1.25, so $1 here. And yeah, it was just really easy, really quick, and really cheap to make, but still they look really cute. And they are a nice Easter gift. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and tomorrow I'll be posting my last spring kickoff video, so make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for that, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Bye.